It all began here at the Temple of Peace in Cathays Park at 2:15. About 200 members of the Welsh Language Society and sympathisers heard the chairman, Gareth Miles, say that this is the most important rally for some time. He was followed by Emma Llewellyn-Jones, who said that things are virtually all up with the Welsh language unless it gets the use of an exclusive television channel for itself in Wales. Well, now at 4:20, they're off, all of them, children, teenagers and the rest, because this is a predominantly useful gathering on the 3.5-mile trek to Llandaff, to Broadcasting House and the headquarters of the BBC in Wales, away from the Temple of Peace and incidentally away from the building next door, where Lord Hill, the chairman of the BBC, has been delivering a private lecture in front of an invited audience. The marchers moved in orderly fashion and at a brisk pace into Castle Street, across Canton Bridge, along Cathedral Road and so to Llandaff. Along the route, I managed to have a word with a couple of them. What a way to spend a Saturday afternoon.
Oh, I think it's right, and I think this is the best way to do it.
What exactly are you trying to do?
Well, protesting in the BBC because they're not putting in sufficient Welsh programs. And I think that what they do put on is disgraceful.
How much more would you like to see then?
Oh, I think we should get it all the day round. You know, a full television Welsh service.
You mean all evening round, do you?
Yes, all evening.
What exactly is the protest about, in your own words?
A protest about the Welsh language. We want a pure Welsh programme in Welsh, a Welsh channel.
On the BBC?
On the BBC or any other channel.
Any channel at all?
Any channel. You've got 5 English channels, haven't you? Now that's all we're asking for is one channel in Welsh.
How many hours a day or a night?
5 hours a week, that's all we are having in Welsh.
How many do you want?
We want a whole channel in Welsh.
Do you have any idea how much it might cost?
I have no idea at all.
That doesn't concern you?
That doesn't concern me at all, no.
Thank you. What was in the petitions that you handed to the head of programmes, Mr. Miles?
We asked simply that the BBC provide a separate channel, both on radio and television, in the Welsh language, in the same way as in countries such as Switzerland and Belgium and other multi-linguistic states. Different channels are provided in different languages. We also asked that more money be spent on the programmes in Wales, both Welsh and in English, and that the BBC tried to reflect more truly the life of Wales and its aspirations.
What did Mr. Talman Davis have to tell you?
Mr. Talman Davis says that he will present our petition to his superiors and that he will be communicating with us.
Does the Welsh Language Society have any idea of the economics of television? You realise it's an expensive business.
We realise it's extremely expensive. We realise that a great deal of money is spent on broadcasting in English to many different countries of the world to keep up the English imperialist image. We realise that money is spent on broadcasting in Arabic, more Arabic is broadcast per day than in Welsh in a week. We realise that colour television costs a lot. We realise that television in Welsh will cost a lot. But money must be spent if Wales is to survive.
If there were more television in Welsh and in English in Wales, do you believe that the quality could be sustained?
Well, if enough money is spent in it, of course it could be.
Do you think quality is mainly a matter of money, do you?
Definitely, yes.
Has this been a successful rally?
Definitely, yes. We've had people from all over Wales. We've heard some very good speeches from Professor Jarman, from Emma Llewellyn, from Mrs. Gwyneth Morgan, from other speakers. And it's been a very successful rally.
Some good singing just now.
Thank you,
Mr. Miles,
very
much.
Bye.